Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing finally my June BOXYCHARM unboxing and try on per usual. I will be using the products in this month's box. I have been wanting to film this video like literally. I got my box like super early, and just with everything going on I didn't have a chance to film with it yet. I wanted to get the ColourPop foundation video up before this one. I'm really excited for this month's box, especially the palette. So yeah, let's just go ahead and dig right in. If you don't know what BOXYCHARM is already, it is a monthly subscription box. It's $21 a month. You always get 4 to 5 full-size products in every single box, and it's my favorite subscription. It's just amazing. I've been getting it for probably like 2.5 years now, and I love it. I always find like some good products in here. I'm gonna start off with the palette first. Oh, let me read the little. So here's a little card for this month. This month's box is Caribbean Queen themed. I'll start off with the palette first because I'm really excited. I also just want to do my eyes before the rest of my face. This is the Alamad Cosmetics palette, is the inside. I love the colors in here. Retails for $28, which isn't bad at all. That's actually a really good price. So there's 8 eyeshadows in here, so 28 bucks. You do the math. I'm not gonna do math right now. I'm priming my eyelids real quick. This is just the Smashbox lid primer in light. I'm just gonna go ahead and set that really quick. By the way, sorry if I seem like I'm in a really, I don't know, I'm just like in a funk right now. If you guys don't know what's going on, I don't even know when this video is gonna go up, but everything about the children and immigration, everything right now has really just put like a big damper on my mood. I just really haven't been in the best mood because it's just so heartbreaking and upsetting. So I'm a little off. That is why I can't find myself to be like in a like happy mood when all this stuff is going on. I just can't. So I'm trying my best. So let's just go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Cocoa Taxi, which is this like mustardy yellowy orange shade. That in my crease. I'm really excited to see how these shadows blend and everything. So I'm just gonna put that in my crease. That's pretty pigmented. Wow. I barely picked anything up on my brush. By the way, this brush is the one that I literally use all the time. It's from Royal and Langnickel. It's their Moda Pro crease brush. It's my favorite brush in the entire world. If I could only have one brush, it would be this one. Blends out really, really nice. It's definitely like one of those colors that I would just put all over my lid and just throw it in my crease and just blow this shade out whenever I don't feel like doing anything super crazy. Not too much kickback in the palette either, which is nice. And they're blending really nice. So I'm gonna go in with Tropical, which is like a very burnt orangey red shade, and I'm just going to take that with the same brush and put that in my crease as well. Ooh, that's a pretty shade. These shades are like pigmented. They're so pigmented, but not like overly pigmented. I've mentioned this before. I like when I can build a color up and it's not like so pigmented to where it doesn't blend out and stuff. This is like perfect. A little bit of kickback with this shade, which doesn't bother me. I also don't really see that I have any fallout either, so that's nice. Okay, so now that that shade is down, I'm gonna go in to this shade. This shade right here. Like I said, I get dragged all the time for saying everything wrong, so I'm not even gonna try. I'm putting this shade. It's like a really pretty burgundy shade. I'm putting it in my outer corner. Palette has a lot of like summeriness to it, but I feel like it's also a really good transition palette that will like work going into fall just with the colors. I feel like you can create some fall looks with it, which y'all know I love fall. So I'm going back with Tropical to kind of just blend that together. I'm also going to take that burgundy shade in my inner corner Yeah, I really like this shade. Ooh, I'm definitely gonna be using this shade just like all over my eye too. I love just throwing burgundy eyeshadow in my eye. All over my eye, not in my eye. I'm putting that in my crease to connect them. I think I'm going for a halo eye today. Okay, so since I kind of have this halo eye down, I put some concealer down in the center of my lid. Just taking some concealer and putting that in the center. Kind of doing a halo cut crease kind of thing. Back in with the burgundy shade, just kind of blend that. I take Celia, which is this like turquoise kind of shade, and I'm just gonna pat that on right here. Still leaving that like center of it blank. I'm going back in with the burgundy shade to blend that in to Celia. I left the center blank. I'm gonna go ahead and take El Malicón, which is that shade right there. It's like a pretty green, I don't even know, it's like a super pretty unique color. And I'm just going to put that in the center. That is super pretty. These are so like pigmented and metallic. So I went ahead and did the other eye really quick, and I put my foundation and concealer on. I'm also baking my smile lines. I'm wearing the ColourPop foundation again, and I learned that if I bake with their translucent powder in my smile lines, I don't get them. So that's what I'm doing right now. So the next thing in the box is this right here. This is the Luxie 3-piece Flawless Complexion Brush Set. This retails for $42. So I'm going to use these brushes to finish the rest of my face makeup. I'm going to use, there is the 522 tapered highlighter brush, the 516 duo fiber powder brush, and then the 660 precision foundation brush. I didn't use this for foundation because I don't use brushes for my foundation, but I will use this to set my under eyes. I like the ColourPop powder to set my under eyes, and then also this brush is a little big for my under eyes. But I like it to set my under eyes. I like it to bake the smile lines. I 100% do not like it to bake the side of my nose. I know I said in my last video of my review for the foundation that I did like it for my nose. I don't. I saw it in pictures yesterday and it left like a really bad white cast without flash, so I can only imagine what it looks like with flash. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my NYX powder because I feel like the NYX one brightens a little bit. I'm gonna take the 516 duo fiber powder brush, and I'm just gonna set my face with the ColourPop pressed powder, just in the areas where I'm gonna put like bronzer and stuff, also on my nose and on my chin. Brush is a foundation brush, and I'm not gonna use the foundation brush. I already applied my foundation, and I wouldn't apply my foundation with a brush like this anyway. This also might be good to set the under eyes too, but the other two brushes I do like. This is an eyeliner from Jaunty Blue. It's a waterproof eyeliner pencil, retails for $5. My eyes, I don't really want to wear eyeliner today, so I will just do a swatch of it. It's a really pretty, like, rich, deep, dark brown. It looks really pretty. I do like brown eyeliner, but for today's look, I just don't really want to wear eyeliner. Do the rest of my makeup really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the rest of my makeup on now, and by the way, this eye look, it's pretty bomb. Okay, so the next thing in the box is some lashes, which I'm really excited. I don't think we've ever gotten lashes in a BOXYCHARM. So this is from the brand Baddington, and this is what the lashes look like. These are from the brand Baddington. These are Monroe Silk lashes. They retail for $28. It's pretty expensive. I never understand why lashes are so expensive. Like, I just don't get it. But these are really nice. They're not too dramatic. They're actually pretty, like, natural-ish. Like, I think these are pretty natural. But I like more natural. I don't like super, super dramatic, big, thick lashes. So, let's put these on. I'm gonna trim these a little bit because they're a little long for my eye. Put a little bit of lash glue on. This is the House of Lashes dark tone one. I don't like these. Like, not long. Like, it just makes the base of my lashes look thick, but they don't look like long. So I'm gonna use some different lashes. I don't know what lashes I'm gonna wear. I think I need to go grab some. I'll be right back. Okay. After that tragedy of lashes, I put some new ones on. These are from Stilazzi. By the way, I don't remember if I mentioned, but I did do my lower lash line, and I just put a little bit of it, the shade La Costa in my inner corner, but the I just use the same shade that I put in my crease on my lower lash line. So let's go ahead and move on to the last couple products. There's a lot of products in this month's box. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 products in this month's box. This one that we have in this month's box, this is an Ofra liquid lipstick. I'm really happy. I haven't seen Ofra in the box, I feel like, in a while. So this is the Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. This is $21, and this is in the shade Verona. So I actually don't have this shade. I have a lot of the Ofra liquid lipsticks, but I don't have this one, so I'm excited. I like these kind of colors. I really like the Ofra liquid lipstick formula, so ooh. Ooh, this is pretty. It's like a really pretty brown. Ooh, I love this color. Like, I literally love it. I haven't worn an Ofra liquid lipstick in so long, I forgot how much I liked the formula. Hello. This is probably like my new favorite lipstick. I love this color so much. Ooh, I'm obsessed. I love this color. Okay, so last thing in this month's box, this is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Cream. This is a little mini size, so this one isn't a full size, which is probably why there's 6 products in this one's box. But this is still like a really generous size. This retails for $10. I've always wanted to try this. I've seen this at Sephora for years. So this is the Brazilian Bum Cream. It's inspired by the Brazilians' favorite feature, the Bum Bum. It's creamy and rich, fast absorbing texture, contains just enough mica to add perfect Brazilian glow, as the formula helps your body look and feel its smoothest and tightest. Well, I mean, I'm gonna try some. You probably won't be able to see it, but I mean, I'll put a little bit like on my hand. I will be using this on my legs though. Ooh, it smells, oh, it smells so good. Wow. I'll put a little bit on my arm. I know this is supposed to be like to tighten and stuff, but it feels, ooh, it really does absorb really fast. It's funny because I just got a sample of this from Sephora the other day, but ooh, oh my god, it absorbs so fast. That's like one of the main reasons why I hate wearing lotion. I know that's pretty bad, and it also sounds bad because I work at Bath & Body Works, but I hate wearing lotion sometimes because like I just feel like it doesn't absorb very well, and I hate the feeling of lotion on my skin. And this absorbs really fast, and I can definitely see like a glow to my arm. That's crazy because it doesn't really, it's like a very like white color, so it doesn't look like it has anything in it. But I don't know if you guys can see, probably not, well, maybe a little bit. This is the one that has the lotion on. I feel like this arm just looks better. I'm shook. I really am excited to put this on my legs. I always wanted to buy the full size because I've seen it at Sephora for so long. So, oh, and it smells like a dream, dude. It smells so good. Okay, let me wrap this up because I feel like this video is getting long. Let me add up how much everything in this month's box was. Okay, so this month's box was worth $134. I'm honestly so impressed with this month's box. I love it. I think this is definitely one of my favorite boxes from BOXYCHARM. I really like the Alamad Cosmetics palette. It is really nice. I love this look. The metallics were bomb, and I think this is such a good palette for 28 bucks. Like, what the hell? I've always been a fan of Luxie brushes. I like these ones. I definitely will be using them. This lipstick is everything. I love this color so freaking much. This is probably one of the best lipsticks I've gotten, like lipstick colors that I've gotten in a BOXYCHARM. These lashes were trash. I did not like them. I mean, I guess it's just like based on personal preference. I just don't. I thought I was gonna like them because I don't really like too dramatic of lashes, but they just weren't long enough. Like, it was just kind of, I don't know, it just looked weird. Like, it just looked like it was really thick, like at the base, but like it wasn't long enough, so it just made me look like I had like little chode lashes. Like, I don't really know. And then the eyeliner, I don't know what I did with it. I mean, I'm sure it'll turn up when I like clean up, but everything's like everywhere right now. I don't know what I did with it, but that was a really pretty color. Oh, I think it's right here. It's a really pretty color. I definitely will be using it. I do like brown eyeliners. I think we've gotten an eyeliner or a lip liner from this brand before in BOXYCHARM, and I remember it being pretty good. So super happy with this month's box. Like, I think it was really good. I'm obsessed with the look that I came up with. I think it looks so pretty, and I love the colors. I love the colors in the palette. It's just like a really nice palette. Anyways, I will leave a link down below if you guys want to sign up for BOXYCHARM yourself. It is my favorite subscription box. I'm like pretty much never disappointed in it. Like, there's always at least like a couple things in there that I'm really excited for, and they've been killing it lately. Like, with the boxes, I've been getting like so much good stuff in them, so they've been pretty bomb the past couple months. I mean, they've always been really good, but they've really stepped it up this year. Like, I'm honestly shook. I don't even know how it's like 21 bucks. Like, it's beyond me. Like, it was cheaper than the palette itself. I'll leave a link down below if you guys do want to sign up for BOXYCHARM. It is an affiliate link, so I do make a really small commission if you guys do use the link, but if you don't feel comfortable doing that, then you can just go to boxycharm.com and sign up there. But if you do use it, thank you. I appreciate you so much. So anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys like this look as much as I did. If you guys did like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.